I wanted to show you my pigeon feeder. It's one of my favorite things that I've made. If you have pigeons, you know they fight over their food, and so I made this to kind of slow that down just a little bit. But it's just it's a half a PVC pipe, and I put a piece of metal on both ends to keep the feed from falling out the ends. And then there's just a perch on the front of it, and then I took a 1x4 and I put 16 penny nails in it, and these are probably about 2 inches apart. And then when you let it, it's hinged in the back, and when you let it down, the nails fall right here, and so it keeps them all separated. And here's a video of them using it. This was my first attempt at making a feeder, and it worked when I had fewer birds. Now that I have quite a few more, I needed that bigger feeder to do it. But just a perch on each side, and then dividers here to keep them from climbing up in there. Same thing with the other one. Those nails keep them from climbing into the food and going to the bathroom in the food and making a big mess out of all of it. Alright, so anyway, I just thought you might like to see this. I don't really have plans on how to build it or anything like that. I just thought it might give someone an idea of how they could build something like this. Hope it was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.